Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
Like I mentioned in my last video, analyzing Bitcoin right now is basically the same as analyzing the traditional markets. Monday opened strong and then pulled back, and when you place Bitcoin's chart next to that move, the structure is almost identical. Bitcoin is simply the more volatile version of the same sequence. If we look at the SPX, we can see a recovery of about 2.2% from the dip on Friday. Price is currently testing the 21 and 50 EMA on the hourly chart. The broader trend still shows more open space to the downside than to the upside. On wave trend, we have a red dot while money flow remains positive. The MACD has crossed below the signal line, and we need to watch closely if and when it turns back up. The RSI is sitting at 48, neutral, after climbing out of oversold territory on Friday. Turning to Bitcoin, the structure looks almost exactly the same, only amplified. Instead of a 2.2% recovery like the SPX, Bitcoin bounced more than 9%. The shape, the timing, and the flow of the move mirror the traditional markets almost perfectly. Checking the heat maps. On the one-day view, the hottest liquidity level sits near 85.3 thousand, with short-term high leverage positioning showing up in the most recent hours. On the 3-day view, the hottest zone is around 88.1 thousand, with late short positions stacked above current price and additional hot clusters forming near 83,000. On the 1-week view, the main targets sit higher again, roughly between 88 and 90,000, and then between 93 and 96,000. From an analytical standpoint, the short-term picture remains mixed, while the longer-term view leans slightly positive simply because of how large this pullback has been. We saw a drop of 36% in Q4, and at this moment the quarter sits at about negative 24.51%. And all of this is happening during a year like 2025, which historically should be a strong one. Moves of this magnitude have not happened before, not even during the double peak structure in 2021. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment, it really helps the channel. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.